The AT5130 multi-channel resistance tester can measure 30 channels simultaneously and display the results on the screen at the same time. Each channel has an accuracy of 0.05% and a measurement range of 1 to 3 OK. The resistance value of each channel is displayed in 5 digits and has 30,000 readings. Basic introduction. Press the Ms key to enter the measurement display page. The measurement display page mainly highlights the measurement results and displays the current sorting results in small characters. All the settings related to measurement can be operated on the settings page. The instrument offers 4 different testing speeds. The slower the speed, the more accurate and stable the test results will be. Temperature compensation requires setting the temperature coefficient of the material. The measured result reflects the value at the reference temperature. All the values can be directly entered using the numeric keypad. Press the Setup key, then press the Computer Settings function key to open the Computer Settings page. The computer can set the upper and lower limits for all channels. The AT5130 needs to select the 11, 20, 21, 30 channels through the Next Page function key. To make full use of the computer, the instrument is equipped with a handler interface, which is used to output the comparison results of these settings to relays, PLCs or industrial control computers. On the computer page, you can set the following items: computer switch and input mode for computer gears, comparison method settings, nominal value settings, as well as the upper limit and lower limit data input for each gear. The upper and lower limit values can be deleted individually or in batches using the function keys. The gear setting method can be either uniform or individually selectable. Press the Setup key to enter the settings page, then press the function key Channel Settings to enter the channel settings page. Each channel of the instrument can be set to be either open or closed. It is also possible to select single channel or full open mode through the function keys for quick setup. Press the Setup key to enter the settings page, then press the function key USB disk to enter the U-Disk settings page. After inserting the USB disk, create a file and enter the name using the numeric keys. Set time saving and you can directly input the interval time. After short-circuiting the fixture, perform short circuit reset in the settings. Click on System to enter the system configuration page. All settings will be automatically saved in the system and will be loaded automatically during the next startup. The system configuration page includes the following settings: language, date or time, account, ringtone, baud rate, communication data YOC, etc. There are no user configurable options on the system information page. On the system configuration page, press Zero Value Correction to enter the Zero Value Correction page. On this page, you can set whether to enable or disable Zero Value Correction, and you can also set the values for each channel. Press the bottom function key file to enter the file management page. The settings can be saved in up to 30 files, making it convenient to access them either when starting up or when changing the specifications. Select the Startup option to specify the files that will be executed upon startup. Automatic saving can be set to be either enabled or disabled. To turn the page, use the bottom function keys for previous and next pages. The function keys offer one-click locking and unlocking. Once locked, no other keys can be used. USB flash drive usage. Insert the USB drive, and the screen will display USB disk ready. Enter the U-Disk settings page, select the unit as automatic, create a new file, set the time saving time, and then return to the measurement result display page. After the scanning is completed, you can see the file path and the saving time of the data file saved to the USB drive. Note that the actual saving intervals for the scanning channels when in single path mode and full open mode are different, and this is normal display. After saving, simply remove the USB drive. The file saved on the USB drive can be viewed on the computer. Please note that before using the USB drive to record data, you need to set the attribute format of the USB drive to FAT32 on the computer. Test and interface. Take a group as an example. Just follow the instructions in the video to make the correct connection. Short circuit reset. Connect the test clips together, with the handles of the same color facing each other. Refer to the illustration. Then, on the settings page, select button Short Circuit Reset, choose OK, and then complete the return process. Simulation measurement. The simulation measurement prepared two standard resistors. In the video, the comparator parameters, upper limit value and lower limit value, will be set separately to show the display form of the measurement result being qualified or unqualified on the result page.